In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a timeline in PowerPoint. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. Timelines are fantastic tools for visually representing chronological events. They can help make your presentations engaging and easier to follow. The first thing you want to do is type out your timeline points. Start by creating a simple text list. Just jot down the title of your timeline at the top and then proceed to list the key events or milestones you want to include in the order they happen. For example, let's say you're creating a timeline about a project's development. Your title might be Project Development Timeline, and underneath that, you can list the phases like research phase, design phase, implementation, and finally, completed. Now that you have your content laid out in a clear, straightforward list, it's time to convert this text into a visual format. Highlight the entire text block that you just created. Once everything is selected, right-click anywhere on the highlighted text. A context menu will pop up, and from there you'll want to select the option that says Convert to Smart Art. This is a nifty feature in PowerPoint that transforms your plain text into eye-catching graphics. After you've done that, a window will appear showcasing a variety of smart art graphic styles. You want to look for the options categorized under Process, as these will provide you with several different layouts suitable for timelines. While browsing through the options, choose a basic timeline design that you feel fits your content best. There will be various styles, from simple linear formats to more complex designs. Once you click on your chosen layout, your plain text list will magically morph into a structured visual timeline. And just like that, your timeline is starting to take shape. From here, you can customize your timeline to make it stand out even more. You can adjust the colors, fonts, and styles of the shapes within the Smart Art graphic. If you want to tweak the size or position of any elements, just click and drag them until you have everything where you want it. Further, if you want to add additional text or images next to certain points for clarity or emphasis, feel free to do that too. This is where you can really personalize your timeline to fit your branding or the aesthetics of your presentation. Finally, make sure to take a step back and review your timeline. Does it flow well? Are the events clear? It can be helpful to have someone else look at it too, to get a fresh perspective. Now you have all the tools you need to create a stunning timeline in PowerPoint. Remember, the key is to keep it clear and visually appealing. Timelines should be informative without overwhelming your audience with too much information all at once. Thanks for watching. I hope that this step-by-step guide helps you create impressive timelines for your upcoming presentations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.